Hello, my dear English learners. How can we practice our English every day? I think the best way to learn English is to practice English every day. At first, we should learn new vocabulary, read English books, watch English videos, and listen to English conversation on social media if you want to enhance your listening power. And second is speaking. Speaking is very important for us. If we want to talk with people confidently, we need speaking. That's why we should practice speaking with our friends or teachers without being afraid of making mistakes. So we should also write a few English sentences every day. And after writing on our exercise book, so we have to review what we have learned yesterday, what we have written yesterday. My dear brothers, I want to tell you, learning English takes time, but regular practice makes it easier. I believe that confidence, patience, and regular practice are the keys to becoming a good English speaker.